India is renowned as world's fourth most competitive manufacturing destination with sustainable and cost-effective manufacturing techniques. At Ravi Industries, we believe in proving it by achieving highest quality standard compliance with international codes and certifications. Ravi Industries delivers quality products that defines our ability to match the international standards. Simply because we aspire to accomplish excellence and not just the near targets, but through the winning combination of quality, design, aesthetics and utility. We have the excellent in-house facility that takes care of all the minute processes or component that goes into manufacturing of our products, which makes us an idealist, or you may call us a near perfectionist. It is simply because of the focus on fineness of all the processes till the bottom line of manufacturing that goes hand in hand with limitless, borderless conversion of ideas to the mark of excellence. To become the benchmark manufacturing company for pressure vessels and skids by providing world-class products to satisfied customers through continuous improvement, driven by the integrity, teamwork and creativity of our people. A company founded in 1996 in Pune, just 100 kilometers away from Mumbai, manufactures equipments like pressure vessels, skids, shell and tube-type heat exchangers, chemical injection packages required in power industry, oil and gas sectors and chemical processes. We are based here, but our products are simply world-class. A visionary and gold medalist industrial engineer from Indian Institution of Industry Engineering, Mr. Ravindra Pathak, put together his vision and excellence to come up with the foundation of Ravi Industries. After gaining couple of years of industrial experience, entrepreneur within him decided to take a leap of faith on his vision to excel. With higher motivation and willpower, but not much capital, he enters into world of pressure vessel manufacturing. Soon, with a vision and his enterprising skills, Ravi Industry has become a committed and reliable supplier for many international clients.
Today our company has expanded at 3 manufacturing locations with 150 manpower as a team, and we have got installations across the globe in 26 countries. This is a real achievement from a company which has started from a very small step.
We know that pressure vessels is a potential hazard, and that's why we design it to complete code compliance. Our state-of-the-art, our design department, skilled design engineers and world-class software takes care of all the minute details.
Our team designs pressure vessels in accordance with ASME, IBR, DIN, AS, BS, PD 550 and many more. We use softwares like CV Lite, HTRI and AutoCAD to ensure the accuracy of the products we deliver to our customers. Our planning department always makes sure of on-time delivery and performance while preparing the schedules and tracking minute levels of manufacturing, update and review.
Our customers regularly get the information about the project progress, which gives immense confidence to them about the transparency of execution, commitment to the contractual delivery, and the sense of project ownership.
Well-executed enterprise resource planning system enables us to manage right from procurement planning to every section of enterprise. Our project support system ensures that our client can track their valued projects with just few clicks.
Quality at every stage of manufacturing is as vital as breathing for life. However, someone correctly says that quality cannot be achieved by accident. We plan each and every detail carefully through our elaborate quality assurance plan, which inspects each and every detail. It calls for an uncompromising approach towards quality.
Our well-experienced quality personnel are well acquainted with codes like ASME, DIN, GHOST, AS with necessary NDE certifications in UT, RT, and PT to carry out the inspection.
Our projects are always submitted with detailed documentation of quality plan, SOP, radiography reports, ultrasonic reports. This has been really created brand called Ravi Industries.
Quality necessarily needs to be backed up by a state-of-art manufacturing technology as well as a skilled set of laborers. We have critical manufacturing activities like plasma cutting, rolling, dishing, welding and testing of its products in-house. We have different welding processes like submerged arc welding process SMAW, TIG, MIG. Our company can handle different grades of material like carbon steel, stainless steel, Incolloy, Hastelloy, aluminium and many more. All welding processes are backed up by WPS and PQR, which are approved by the renowned inspection agencies like Lloyd's Register, Bureau Veritas, TUV, DNV, Tata Projects, German Lloyds and many more in the field of power and oil and gas.
To ensure quality, Ravi Industries has acquired prestigious certifications of ASME like U-Stamp, U2, R and S. Apart from these ASME accreditations, Ravi Industries has also ISO 9001:2008 certification and BS OSHAs for safety practices. These quality certifications is creating an immense amount of confidence in companies who are concerned to quality like Engineers India Limited, ONGC, GAIL and many more public sectors like Mecon. Ravi Industries' achievement in quality has given a place in international market also. Ravi Industries is working with various OEMs like Thermax, L&T, Alstom, Isjec, Reliance and Valmet. Today Ravi Industries is looked up by many international clients from Middle East, USA and Europe to transcend their business to us.
Ravi Industries is growing with a mission to become a world-class leader in pressure vessels and heat exchangers, and it has selected a way of quality to achieve its vision.